This tutorial is on how to issue VO based on approved RFV. Log in to the eProject system. Access to project that is at the post-contract stage. Click at the Build SpacePro icon. Double-click at VO. Here will be the list of all approved RFV. To proceed with VO creation, double-click any of the RFV. Highlighted in yellow means that this is the item from RFV. You can still edit your RFV description. Press Enter, key in, press Enter again to save. However, for your budget is not editable. To edit, key in the rate under Rate column and quantity at the Addition column. To key in Figure, single-click, press Enter, key in Amount, press Enter again to save. Let's say you have items you want to omit, click Omit from Bills. Then double-click to select bill. Double-click which element. Then tick at the checkbox for the selected items to be omitted, then click Import. You can see the amount in red indicates as an omission and green color is addition. Back to variation order. Here it will show the summary of your VO, including the budget and the net omission and addition. If you have any supporting documents to attach, click Upload. Select the file you want to upload. Once you finalize with the VO, you need to change the status from preparing to pending. You can set a verifier for this approval, but for this tutorial without a verifier. Now this VO is approved.